Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Guide Forever and welcome to today's video in which I'll show you how to change the language in Steam. It's actually pretty straightforward, so you're going to go to the top left corner into the Steam, then we're going to click settings and that should open the settings interface. Once here, go to the interface section and the top option here says the language that you want to choose. I'll just switch to French, and it also says that it will require the Steam to restart, and it will restart the Steam and it will reboot it in the language that you chose. Now just wait a minute. Already the sign is in French, and as we can see we have Steam, we have paramètres, and we have everything that even the settings in French. So don't choose some Chinese or something like that, otherwise it's gonna be hard to change back because you're not gonna know where to go. But I'm going to change back to English, and yeah, that's about it. It's very easy to do. I hope you all guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.